Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Please don't forget, as usual, to support your boy, like this video, share on our social media platform. Not to forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification to get updates anytime I upload. You can follow my social Facebook, Instagram at Masolo Media. Welcome to another juicy video. To start this video, let's talk about Lecon, a guy who was talking about
I
on
can't
his
believe
video
I can't
how
believe
the
everybody are
sugar
blaming me without
don't
hearing
kill
my
them
part.
before.
But
I
this is
saw the
so
guy
sad,
ranting
honestly.
on social media
This is so
and
sad.
I was like surprised
This is so sad. But
when
when you
people are
hear,
not trying
when
to
you
talk
see
about
RIP,
issue,
you will
trying
always
to say
repost
somebody
that
died,
rest in peace,
people type
God.
RIP.
I
To be
can't
honest,
believe this.
everybody
Why,
mourn
Bola? What have I done?
because Zlatan
What have I done?
replied
You
with
my own name,
unique term
my
again.
own name that
Then he also replied and called Zlatan a fool. But to be honest, as a man, if you and your wife or your baby mama are not together, you people go your separate ways. To be honest, social media is not a court that will come and judge your case for you. Social media will add to your pain. To be honest, even as a man, it's women that do those kind of stuff. It's not men coming to be ranting on social media. Look at Toto Dike. When Toto Dike and Choche have issue, Toto Dike said a whole lot about Choche, that Choche is supposed to talk about it, but he never responded. To be honest, because if people have a baby, it might affect the baby tomorrow. Guys, can you leave your comment below? Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Let's move on, guys. This is what a Nollywood actor, Olu Jacob, said. Sorry, not Edoche, sorry. He says some people are sending me messages begging me to show them where they can do money rituals. Come on now, guys. Come on. Now, film I the art. Just like American art action movie where one man will defeat a whole city of bad guys and storyline be that. E no dey happen. E no dey happen. It is not a crime to be a good actor. Now, wow. But to be honest, young guys, people that are sending Noche Doce, this kind of a message. See, to be honest, in this our generation we have, I used to say it every time. The only way is Christ too. Christ, work hard, work smart, believe your oxo. That is the only way you can generate income. If you think maybe there is one witch doctor somewhere that will give you money, is a lie. Or you think there is one pastor somewhere that will give you money, is a lie. Those people need the money even more than you. So guys, let's wake up, let's sit up, work hard and work smart as well. The money we are looking for will come. There is no fast lane to riches. Guys, let's move on, guys. This is what one of the FIFA they are trying to implement in the football match. This is what they say. They say FIFA plan to introduce new rule in football, including reducing games from 90 minutes to 60 minutes. This one it will be very good because everything in the world is changing. They are playing for 90 minutes, been for a long time. If they reduce to 60 minutes, at least the players will also have this mind for them to also relax a little bit because it's not easy. They will not be playing for at least 30 minutes, no 45 minutes. Guys, football lovers, let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Let's move on. This is what a Ghana pastor that predicts the England and the Europe match, the England and the Italy match. This is what he said. I'm sorry about that, guys. He said, uh, he said, my two football prophecy failed to come to pass because of betting. Let me tell you one thing. You cannot say one thing and later say another thing. You are a man of God. Your line is not to be prophesying about football or politics. Your own is to preach the word. Your own is to teach the word, win soul to Christ. That is what you have been called for. Doing any other thing aside from that, you are doing the wrong thing. Pastors or prophets, as you guys call yourself, People should learn to do the right thing at the right time. Let's move on, guys. This is what happened. You know, Ubi Franklin and his baby mama came together to celebrate their son 5 years birthday. I'm sorry, guys. Their son's 5 years birthday. Then a lady dragged through Ubi's son on social media. This is what the lady said. He said, "Dear Nigerian celebrities, Louis Vuitton does not make kids wear. Stop embarrassing yourself. Now I can sleep well tonight, madam." Sometimes you must not buy Louis Vuitton. See, they are in brands, they are refurbished. Even if it's not Louis Vuitton, you are the one, you are wearing designers. You people should stop talking about kids or children on social media. Talk about the parents. It's understandable. Ubi was very, very angry about that. Ubi came out yesterday talking on social media that anytime that woman comes to Nigeria, he's going to arrest the woman. To be honest, sometimes leave some issues and talk about some issues. Guys, let's move on. Runtown girlfriend was in this Instagram question and answer session. Then somebody asked her a question. Ask her a question. Say, "Are you single?" Then she replied. He said, "Yes, ma. I'm single. I'm ready to mingle." Or whatever they say. Jokes. But yes, I am single. I know that this one, she's joking. To be honest, you see, most of the problem you see with celebrities online or with any influential person online is fans. So you people know that this guy is going out with Runtown. You people are coming to drag. Is he going out? He's not going out. You people are the one causing the problem and the breakup in this industry. Let's move on, guys, to other interesting topic. This is what AY the comedian said. This thing I'm going to read out is very delicate and very sensitive. It takes the matured mind to understand what AY was talking about. This is what AY said. He said, "Between the person who stood by you when you had nothing and the one who helped you become somebody, who will you marry?" This question is very delicate. Kindly leave your comment below. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Let's move on to politics. This is what Mr. President said. He said, "It is better Nigeria unites. Buhari tell youth corpers." If Nigeria will unite, Mr. President, you have to also do the right thing. You have to also help us make this country unite. People are there that are killing people. The bandits are there. The Fulani Esme are there. People need to tackle this issue so that there will be security in Nigeria. Guys, let me know what you think about that in the comment section as well. Let's come to this actress. As you can see, a picture there. You know, I used to say these days when women don't go almost nude, they feel they are not beautiful. But this one, I don't call this one beauty, to be honest. You can look sexy, classy without you exposing your body in this manner that you have exposed yourself. Guys, you know me, if you want to show your body, I always say we'll come there to watch you and feel our eyes. But if it's good for you, continue. Guys, let's move on. This is what happened. Big Brother Naija Negi just acquired a Range Rover Sports, as you can see the video right there. To be honest, Big Brother is one platform that have created an opportunity for Nigeria youth to excel, to go to the next level in life. Big things for Negi, big up to her. This is what happened in Ghana. This news is an old news, but I don't know why I'm reporting about it. A Ghana footballer who was playing but now is retired, that is his picture right there. The man had children with his wife, not knowing that the kids are not for him. And this man have not been able to access the house he built in East Legon in Accra. He has not been able to access it. The lady has been fighting so hard for her to take this 7-bedroom apartment from this man. See, to be honest, and sometimes we say men are wicked. Women too sometimes are very also wicked. You did not. This man, it's not that this guy, when you were going out with this guy, he was poor, broke. But I don't know the reason why women do some things they do. This man has been living in a rented apartment for over 8 years. Guys, this is very wicked. Kindly leave your comment below. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. This is where I'm going to end it today, guys. Do not forget, as usual, to support your boy. Like this video, share on our social media platform. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye.